What's up, y'all? Just Zay here, back to pick up. And today we got a super duper special unboxing. We always say special unboxing, but today is no different. Today is just that. Today we got a pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas, and these are of course none other than the Adidas Zen Boost. Now the reason we're doing these a little bit different because we are on vacation, as you guys can see the beautiful background. Now the thing about these shoes that really stood out to me is the way that the Boost is exposed. Right here you see the Boost Plus, and that's throughout the whole half of the shoe, really the whole bottom of it. Really, you know what, I would say this is arguably 40% of the shoe, if not 45%. Now the thing about this shoe that sparked my eyes is because these favor the Adidas, I think it was Boost, and so when I put these on instantly I thought these was what they were based off of how they felt. And for the first 5 to 10 steps I was a little bit disappointed, but then again after about 10 to 20 to 25 steps walking around the house, I was like, okay, I feel it now. These are slowly getting super duper responsive as to what you know and love. And the kicker about this thing is this shoe is only $70. Now this right here is a shoe that I think everybody should at least try on. If not, just roll the dice with it. $70 US, definitely something you want to at least try out. Now, what I'm going to show you guys in a few is just exactly how responsive this shoe is. Did I mention? Look at these icy bottoms, baby. Icy bottoms. That's the other reason we're doing this right now. Look at that. Look at that. Great amount of traction on these things. Whew. Man. Alright, so the question on everyone's mind is, can you slip these on with no hands? No, it's gonna be a whole lot easier and faster just to use your hands with these. I promise you, once you put these on, once you get about your 50th step, see that boost right there? See how responsive that is? It's just that first 5 to 10 steps, you're not gonna really notice anything. But after you get around that 50th step, you're like, yeah. This is it right here. $70 well spent. I highly recommend these. These are of course a size 10.5. So I recommend going half a size up. So I want to give you guys an idea of how these things fit from a technical standpoint. These are of course size 10.5. And so from the front of the shoe all the way to the back, you're looking at 11 inches, and then at its most narrowest point we're going to be looking at right at 3 inches. You guys see that? Right at 3 inches. Now with this shoe, the Boost is exposed, so once you take the sole out, you do have the option of wearing it just as is. You guys can feel, you guys can't feel that, but you guys can see it. The Boost right here, super duper comfortable, very breathable, and man, well worth the $70. As you guys can tell, I have been getting my usage out of this shoe. And I promise you guys, $70, even at retail, this is well worth the buy. Put these things in the washing machine, they'll be just as good as new. So, well worth it. Yummy, yummy.